Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu. This is Sifu JJ. I'm gonna present you today the training Kung Fu at home. So in this moment, many of us have to stay home. You know why? But no problem. We still can train Kung Fu at home with this smaller space. If you have the same space in home, so you can do it. For this program, I want to present you to achieve the real Kung Fu at home. We'll be leading you step by step for the long fist with basics first. I want to give my knowledge and I want your decision and follow me every single day to do those basics and repeat. I'm guarantee you can get real good Kung Fu, good technique. Let's start this. The first move, let's take a bow. Take your right hand, put the finger all together, and left hand, your palm, and put together. Bow. 同学们好 means hello student. You answer me 老师好. 老师好 means hi teacher, right? Okay, so let's start the very basics move, the punches. So the punches, we start with your fist. You have to make a good fist. How to make a good fist? Let's do this. Open your hand, finger together, and you squeeze tight, and your thumb on the top, just on top of your hand, and really tight, squeeze, and make the surface flat. And why? Because this way it will make a powerful punch and not injure your fingers. Good fist and you punch right there. Right there. So no problem. Follow me. Attention. And ready. And you make a step. Good. So let's start your punch right. So slowly out of your waist and twist. The power out the last point. Boom. Nice. The same way you come back to your waist. So that's the technique. So how your fist from where position to coming out and rotate. The power out is right the surface of your punch. Right, boom, there. And the same way you come back your waist, no matter the speed. So you go slow, twist, and power. And slow, twist, and come back. And you give a little bit of speed. And same way come back. A little bit of speed. And come back. And faster. And come back. And faster. You got it? Okay. Nice. So let's practice with me slowly. Attention. And ready. And stop. And one. Punch. And slowly come back. And you got another hand, rotate out the same way, twist and power, and slow come back. Another hand, rotate out and twist and power, and same way, slow come back and punch, and got another one, speed, one, and go two, and go three, and go four, and speed, one, two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, and fit together, and hands down, and back. Okay, we do the same thing with your palm. Attention, and ready, and make it right step. Okay, so now your hand become a palm, right? From there, the same way, exactly same like how you do a punch. You just twist, and then you go whoosh. Great. Same way, twist, come back. And the same way, you go and twist and power out. Same way, rotate and come back. Same way, and twist and power. No matter the speed, just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And one technique is very important. So a lot of people, so once you want to give a good energy, I know you want to badly want to give the punch or palm, the power, and you stay really tight. Go, so that's actually doesn't give you much power. I mean, on your hand. So this is you got to hurt people by your hand, is not by your arm or your shoulder. But once you get too tight, all power is all stay all over your arm or shoulder. So here have some power but less, right? So the good way and then the good technique, once you do the punch or palm, you have to really relax actually. So that's why we do some exercise like this, right? So relax your shoulder, relax your arm. All the power out is right here, but you have to tight of your wrist. If you don't tight your wrist, you can broken your wrist. So that is also dangerous. So stay focused. Let's do this. You say your shoulder actually relax down and the power out. All power just right here. The fist and tight your wrist. And that's it. Relax, relax. But that means loose up, right? You're still holding tight, but mainly the power out right here is saying, you go saying, you go saying, right? Perfect. Okay, I repeat many times with the right technique, you'll become good. Believe me, that's how I training for my 30 plus years experience. If you have any questions, so you can let me know, leave a comment below. I see you next video.